Hi, thanks for tuning in to Right Click Computer Services Computer Maintenance Channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to be notified when we upload new videos, and please don't skip the ads, they help us. This video is how to run the Avast Anti-Virus program. It's part of your regular maintenance and should be run, depending on how often you use your computer, approximately once a week. Now, when you open this program, if you see this green shield and it says you're protected, that means it's updating on its own. In other words, being able to detect the newest viruses automatically, and it means it's scanning on its own and everything is good. But there might be an occasion where you want to run the scan manually if you suspect something's wrong, or if the computer tells you it's detected a threat. It's always a good idea to run the scan manually. Now, when you're getting ready to do that, the first thing you want to do is check to make sure you're running the latest version of everything. So to get to that screen, you click on the menu button in the upper right corner here and choose Settings. Now, from this menu, you want to select the updates, and here are your two updates options. This first one is for the actual virus patterns itself. In other words, for the program to be able to detect the newest threats is this option, and from time to time the whole core of the program needs to update, and that's this option. So it's always a good idea to check these before you run the scans. If there is an application update for the whole core of the program, it may want you to restart your computer after it installs, so just be prepared for that. And then again, to check to make sure the program is able to detect the newest threats. Once you're done with that, close that menu and return back to the main screen. Now, to run the manual scans, you want to choose the protection option and the virus scan here in the upper left corner. Now, some of these other ones are part of the paid version, and if you pay for them, and once we get to that point, we'll be running future videos on how to run some of these other features. But the main one we need to be concerned with today is the virus scan. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Now, there are several different scan options, but the only one you want to worry about today is this full virus scan, and it isn't any simpler than Scan Now. Now, it's going to run for a period of time. This one actually is going to run a fairly significant period of time, so I'm not going to let it run all the way to the end in terms of this video, because there are no viruses on this computer, and so I don't need to show you that. When I feel I do have a computer that has viruses, I will absolutely show you the virus removal process, but generally this will automatically quarantine them and remove them for you. In fact, it will do that as you're surfing. You might notice pop-ups from time to time warning you that a threat's detected. That's great. That means it's doing its job. As annoying as that may be, that's a good sign telling you that it is doing your job. So, so again, primarily this one is just looking for the "you are protected" sign, checking for updates, and running the full scan if you feel you need to. Again, primarily the scans run in the background while you're not using the computer, so the scans are only if you feel they are necessary. So again, thank you for tuning in to Right Click Computer Services Computer Maintenance Channel. If you have questions, contact us at the store or notify us in the messaging below. Or if you have suggestions for any tutorial or anything you might be curious or wanting to see a video about, please let us know. Thank you.